Congratulations to Spain. A big congratulations to Spain. Because they come to this match as underdogs. Everybody they write them off. Even you write them off to say France will win them. For me, I tell you, say if Spain first score, they go win the match.
Now France wey I no actually know wetin I go talk wey happen to France. Like they no just come ball. Like they no even come.
First thing wey happen be say
They no even
Spain
come
thief
ball.
the midfield.
I swear.
Spain still like Rodri in that midfield is very good. They just steal the midfield. So now the attackers wey dey for France, they no get any creator wey fit create chance give them. As Spain don collect the midfield.
I
And
swear. And Olise also wey been dey the midfield, him just come dey comot sometimes dey enter wing.
even as Cheki come, Cheki even create more self than him because even Cheki come make them even do the 2 shot on target wey them play.
Like France was just the underdog for this match. Like everything, like
Spain really shocked me.
just like say France. I know I go talk say they underrate Spain abi wetin. Like nothing. Like they don't even play anything where I dey expect. Say they go play with all the attack why they talk about with their squad.
Dembele, Olise,
Bakola, Dio,
even Mbappe. So
I don't even see anything from France today.
super attack France. No get one shot target for first half. Whole first half. I was thinking, okay, the coach fit do some other changes. Maybe carry Mbappe go full wide, then maybe bring Mateta, things like that. Maybe they feed the spam crosses they come. But still, do an input and check it. But like I respect this Spain defense.
Also, Spain that Kubasi. That Kubasi for that Spain defense now very.
I respect Spain defense. You see, like even their wing backs, Poro and the Cucurella, they're just good. Then if you can't enter midfield, Rodrigo just the ball out or more. Spain just good. And for you, that Lucas Dine, I waiting be your name. That kind penalty you commit today. So they are aware of your defense. You don't know them. Look before you kick ball. Now you don't carry pick. We can't give them hope. They can't still score you another goal. But like France was totally outplayed.
Like today match now, I don't just actually know what happened because even though France supposed to at least get 1 goal for this match, but no just be clean sheet like that. But I don't just know.
Coming to the semi-final match, France don't only concede 2 goals. Spain only 1.
Only 1.
To show say the both team defense good, but still Spain show say that them be the best defense. How even Spain take concede even the one where they concede self?
Because Belgium.
See locking of defense everywhere good. Both the right back, the left back, the 2 center back pairing. That young 19 years old Kubasi. Just the experience won't finish them.
Composure and with Rodri for that.
Now today we see the reason why that Spain coach they always choose Unai Simon over other players, over keepers like David Raya who in Premier League golden boot and waiting me them way from Barcelona. So but Unai Simon, you see in the read that cross they play with Mbappe.
All the crosses in the Qatar, they allow me they not down.
In they come out. So almost Spain really ball out.
Should say be better keeper.
Spain really ball out. They may watch out for who go advance to the final with them. Maybe we'll see as the final go sweet.
Nah, just say more watch out, because me I believe England go down for Argentina.
You see now football now. Don't be saying you talk say Spain go win. I mean France go win. Waiting go happen. Spain no win.
England go do am. England
go do am. Watch how who go advance to the final.
Nah, I don't say what I want tell Spain be say this match will win against France. Hope say you go fit do the task. Now me if you do the task.
The first Argentina go come final.
Now me if you do the task. Because I want to want me France do, but more watch out.
Tomorrow match now still another big game.
Go be so, but I believe in England. I believe Jude Bellingham.
You believe in England. I still believe in Argentina. Like Messi did there.
So more watch out. Tomorrow match go be. Then we will not know who go advance the final against Spain. Then the way Spain they play, like saying that them fit carry the.
Concern as far as Portugal.
Because of their defense, their defense they very good.
Tomorrow I just need Messi just score 1 goal or do 2 assists. It don't finish. But I just expect big match like Argentina versus Spain for the final. Maybe something like Messi and Yamal. But anybody who advance to the final is good. So no watch out for this.
Yeah, congratulations to
Spain once more.